Patag na! Nice up! Okay na lang. Dali, pasa pa eh, no? Ah!
That is just habits that he has formed throughout his incredible career. That he's a sure Hall of Famer with at least more titles to his name. It could be that.
Wala!
6 out of 6. Make that 7 out of 7 for the Lions. Richard C. Philly 16 years in the league, 37-year-old.
Corner! Corner!
79. This is what we want.
Corner!
Walang tampakan. And the team Miami will try to take advantage of the early penalty.
Parado na yan.
Wala pa, mahaba ka eh. Pinabalik ako yan.
Ang ina, galing talaga. Asawa! Putay mo! Titira pa! Wala. Nice! Rookie! Rookie mistakes! Hindi siya makashoot. Alas. Shoot mo! Niluwa ko pa!
This is down 3. Parker gets it back. 3:36 remaining. The switch. Parker, teardrop.
Ah! Baksa! Huli! Sa kasama!
Side step.
Speed!
He's on the corner.
Bam! Bam! Ah! Kanina traveling eh.
Kaya kalang tayo mo to. Ang galing.
Si Wade, si Wade. Tingnan mo, ikaw magpapatalo ngayon. Double! Nasty! Nice! Nasty! Panalo niya, 2 minutes. Take time! Take time! Woo! Pass! Kay Lebron, kay Lebron. Pasang niya! Ah! Double! Double!
Kinakabahan sila.
Nakabala! Putang ina mo! Kapit!
Dalawa na lang.
Kailangan ng puntos mo! Yan! Low, low, low! Foul! Count it! MVP yan! Yan! Foul! Putang ina! Defense! Akila! Tangina ka, pinakama mo pa! Nice! Kay Wade na yan, kay Wade! Sa'yo na yan!
Wala, ayusin lang. Dis ka kamera.
Nice one! Lebron James! Labas mo! Hindi naman yun! Isa pa! Isa pa! Jump on! Wala! Yes!
Watch time! Isa lang! Isa lang! Isa lang! Wala sa timeout!
San Antonio with a
Panalo na! Panalo niyan! Tayo na si barrier lang ipatay eh!
Sabi.
Tingnan mo, ayan o!
Kasi tipin, tingnan mo, wala nang halos sa
Kailang mo!
Hindi. Nervous na siya.
Nervous eh! MVP!
With 39 seconds.
Yes! Yes! Ah! Wow!
Nice goal! Nice goal! Ah!
Woo! Panalo niyan! Ah! Hindi, ano talaga, buena siya. Wala si Parky!
Siyempre, mga shoes ang binibigay nila.
Huli! Champion! Champion! Ah! Woo!
Nice goal!
Si Ginobili nagpatalo!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Yeah! Wala na. Alam na alam gagawin. Champion! Ginanong pa eh.
Easy! Easy!
6 out of 6. Wala pa sablay.
Today it has been working. Gave them a 4-point
Isa lang. Tapos na. Wala na. Tapos na. Wala na.
Hirapan ang Spurs.
Hirapan talaga. Back.
Hoy, putang ina mo, ginagaya ka tuloy eh. Kaya ganun ang dalawang kamay eh.
Oh, sige na!
Oh, yung ginagaya.
Lahat na.
Ilang ganun daw oh.
Oh, sila ka sa baba!
Oo.
George Irvin at number 8. So he has a 36 right
Yan ka kay papa mo.
Lino! Wala pa kami!
only
Happy
4
na!
assists. But today, 12 out of 23 from the
Ano
field.
shoot? Iri. Yan yan!
Yes! Wala na.
And a 2-possession lead. 6-point lead. Ginobili for 3.
Ah! Ah! Yagis mo na! Woo!
Earlier, sabi ni Wade Ford, akin na to. But came out
Ang usitan niya, no? Paano?
They're not there. They're here, but they're not on the court.
Hello?
The finals is always a referendum
Wala.
of LeBron James and the big three.
Hindi ka pumasok?
He misses the
Wala na. Dahil na ang magkakapaw sa baba sa bata!
in a row.
Yes!
They win back-to-back games. For the first time.
First back-to-back sa home court. Ah! Picture mo kami. Champions one. Picture!
Oh boy, mentally draining football.
Picture mo yan!